There are a lot of issues that parents and students are facing this fall. Some of the biggest topics include face masks and vaccines. Governor Ron DeSantis has made it clear he doesn't want them forcing students, though, to wear a mask in the classroom. Some school districts have different plans on how to keep people safe inside the classroom. News4JAX reporter Marilyn Parker has been speaking with a local doctor this weekend. Marilyn, what are some ways people can stay safe in school?
So, Janice, you remember at the start of this pandemic where we were stopping with the shaking the hands and starting to do the elbow bumps? Well, infectious disease experts say it's about time we get back to that, especially for those kids heading back to school this week and those young ones who can't get the vaccine. Another school year to bear the weight of COVID-19. This time, an even more contagious variant is on the loose. City leaders say the best tool against this virus is the vaccine, but children under 12 aren't eligible. Infectious disease expert Dr. Mohamed Reza says this virus is going to spread in their classrooms. What are just your overall thoughts about sending unvaccinated children to schools right now?
Sadly, our elected officials are not standing up and doing more to protect our children. And that's my concern. And everybody keeps saying get vaccinated, but we know children under 12 cannot get vaccinated. That's just false rhetoric that they were throwing at this point.
In Duval schools, they're required to wear a mask unless their parents opt them out of that requirement. Pediatric cases of COVID-19 have skyrocketed. We don't know their exact ages, but Baptist Health today reported 19 new COVID-19 positive patients in Wolfson's Children's Hospital. 5 are in the ICU. They say more than 90% of current COVID patients 12 and up have not been fully vaccinated. An NBC report says when it comes to vaccinating children under 12, they need a unique dose and timing of the shots. Dr. Reza says even if everyone across Duval were vaccinated today, they wouldn't be protected for several weeks.
What do we need to do for children going back to school next week is to really tell them and model to them how to properly keep a mask on, even if others around them are not doing it. Show them proper hand hygiene techniques, teach them how not to touch their faces and fiddle with their mask. That's all we can do at this point.
Until September 3rd, Duval County School employees are required to wear masks. Starting August 18th, the district is set to open vaccine clinics in each of its secondary schools. Now, Dr. Reza says if possible, those students under 12 should try to do as much as their school day outside. He even says some teachers should consider opening up their classroom windows for better ventilation. Now, coming up tonight on News4JAX at 11, I speak with a local attorney about a lawsuit that was filed against Governor DeSantis' ban on mask mandates in our schools. Reporting live tonight, Marilyn Parker, Channel 4, the local station.